today I'm going to show you how to make a very popular dessert in the Philippines. It's called Ube Halaya or Purple Yam Pudding in English. Okay, without further ado, let me show you the ingredients. Okay, you would need 2 packs of this. It's a grated purple yam, about 454 grams each. So you would need 2 of this. 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and you would also need makapuno. It's called sweetened coconut strings in English, and 1/2 cup butter. Okay, so painit natin yung pan. Okay, let me just put this camera down a bit. There you go. Okay. Okay. You can use a wooden spoon or a spatula, whatever you fancy, kasi it sticks to the pan. So let me put in the butter first. Okay. Okay. There. This will not take long. You have to heat the pot first before you start doing this, because it will be easier for the butter to melt. Okay. There you go. Okay. That is almost ready. Okay, let's put in the purple yam. Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay. If you don't like coconut milk, you can also put fresh milk. Okay din yun, kaya lang mas creamy kasi and mas flavorful pagka coconut milk ang inilagay nyo. Okay? There you go. You can put in the condensed milk. Let it simmer for a bit. And then we'll put in the coconut milk last. Okay? Okay, let's put in the coconut milk. Sarap niyan. It's so yummy. And let's put in more. Let's put everything in. And when this cools down, it will thicken a bit. So, medyo malabnaw siya. But when it cools down, it will be thick. Okay? And then, put in the coconut strings. Okay? Yan. Sarap-sarap niyan. So yummy. Okay? It's almost ready. Come here, Simba. Come. Simba. Come. Come. Okay? Okay, you say hi. Hi. I'm Simba. Okay, stay there. Okay, it's almost ready. Okay, let's try it. Mmm, delicious. Okay, if you like my video, please like it, share, at saka wag niyo na rin kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye!